All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Dengduoduo case for the iPhone 15 Plus. Now, this was another set of products that I picked up together. So I actually picked up the ArmorSuit tempered glass screen protectors and the Dengduoduo case for the iPhone 15 Plus together, but they came within a few days of each other. And I know I showed y'all the price for the screen protectors in my last video, but I was actually able to get this for free. Alright, and the price on this was $2.99 before taxes. After taxes, it came up to about $3.20. I cashed in some of my rewards points and some of my gift card points. Thank you guys and gals for using those affiliate links. I told y'all I put them back into the channel, and I was actually able to get this for free. And that's also how I was able to get this, the ArmorSuit tempered glass set of screen protectors, for $1.22. Again, I cashed in the rest of my gift card and rewards points, and that's how I got this set up. So, full retail before my discounts and reward points and affiliate points, this would have been $3.20, and this would have been $5.99 or $4.99, $5.89 after taxes. But after cashing in my gift card and rewards points, this whole thing ran me $1.22. And with that being said, that means it's time for us to switch out cases. So now I got to give you guys and gals my first impressions of the Dengduoduo case for the iPhone 15 Plus. But I just wanted y'all to see everything that I bought together. And I do have more things coming, so I might cut the review short on this case because I have another case and some more tempered glass screen protectors coming. So who knows? And don't forget, y'all, I drop these videos every Friday. So my goal this year is to drop a new video every Friday. So y'all will get one video a week for the whole year every Friday. But I'm also thinking about making Sundays iPhone Sundays and dropping an iPhone video every Sunday. So y'all let me know down below in the comments. Are y'all cool with one video a week every Friday? Or do y'all want me to double it up and do Friday and iPhone Sundays? Leave your feedback down below. All your feedback, as always, is greatly appreciated. And remember, guys and gals, to keep it respectful, please. Anyways, pricing done. I have my digital screenshot of my digital receipt thrown up in post, so you guys and gals know how much I paid for this. And let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. Let's do this. Now, if you checked out my coverage on the iPhone 11, a lot of these cases will look similar, all right? Because I'm doing the same style of coverage that I did for my iPhone 11 with the iPhone 15 Plus. So my main goal here is maximum affordability with maximum protection and maximum features, all right? So this is the next one in the line, and you really can't go wrong with this at $2.99, $3.20 after taxes. But checking out the packaging and presentation, Dengduoduo, you guys did a great job here. Very simple and clean and straightforward packaging. Pretty nondescript packaging, very generic, but it gets the job done. Flipping it over, you can see we just have a barcode here. Good stuff right there. And now let's crack into this, all right? And guys and gals, I was super excited for this kit because of the price, right? That, and I really am a big fan of this matte, frosted, transparent look. So taking that out the package here, taking out the styrofoam, and y'all can see here's what the case looks like. Let me throw the styrofoam off to the side. check this out. Check this out. Now, the only negative here is there's no MagSafe in this case. So I don't know if my MagSafe on the iPhone 15 Plus will work through the case. I'll have to test that and see. But that was one of the added benefits of this case right here. It just added extra support to the MagSafe capabilities that was already in this device. But when I saw this case for the price, I was like, okay, we have to go ahead and pick it up. All right. And first impressions of the case, it actually looks really, really good. So we got all our precision cutouts on the bottom for our charging port and our microphones. We got fully protected power buttons. We have fully protected volume rockers, and we do have a cutout for our mute slider right there. And then once again, we have a nice raised cutout and raised lip for our camera lenses and our flash. And then look at this smoke transparent look right here. This looks really, really good. All right, let me slap it on. Let me try it on for y'all, and let me give y'all my first impressions. So let me take this other case off. And that's the one thing I'm going to miss about the other case. We did have those ridged matte rails around the sides on this one, and that's something that I really, really liked. We don't really have that on this new case, but it is what it is. Let me give this a quick wipe down. Check out that black. Let me get it a quick wipe down though. And I do still have my other screen protector on the device. So let me wipe down the front as well. Okay. So let me show y'all. Everything is pristine and nice and clean. Looking good front and back. Let's slap it on now, and let me give y'all my first impressions. So dropping it in. It goes right in, and everything clicks into place. Wipe down the back of the case real quick. And boom. So this is what the Dengduoduo case looks like on the iPhone 15 Plus. And check that out. That nice matte, frosted, transparent look. This looks super clean. Super clean. I like that. I like that a lot. Let me wipe off the front one more time. Boom. And we're in business. Now, first impressions. This actually looks really good. Now, one thing I'm not liking off the jump is now we go back to having those slippery sides as opposed to the matte grippy sides from the other case. But I'm going to use this for a few days, and I'll come back with my full review and let you guys and gals know how I feel about this case and screen protector combo all together. I might do those videos separate, okay? But this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Dengduoduo case for the iPhone 15 Plus. Alright? And that, guys and gals, does it for today's video. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up the featured cases and featured and recommended devices from the video, I'll have all of my affiliate links linked up down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you use those affiliate links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. And also, if you would like to see any more coverage on the iPhone 15 Plus or any more coverage on its recommended accessories, I'll have my extended coverage on the iPhone 15 Plus linked up down below in the video description as well. So the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions, and stay tuned because more videos are coming soon. Today's video was recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. But I am using my professional studio lights here today. But please let me know how you guys and gals feel about the overall lighting and the overall video quality and the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all of your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. I'll see y'all Friday for the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.